Hey everyone, my name's Alex here with Sherpa Equipment Company. We're a roof rack manufacturer in Colorado, and today I wanted to talk to you about our new Subaru roof racks. We have racks coming out for the Crosstrek, the Forester, and the Outback, and we are incredibly excited to show you those. We also have our window panels for these as well. So let's dive in to what these give you on your vehicle. So we have been highly requested to make these racks for these platforms because the space inside these Subarus is so limited. Everything that we do is kind of based around the hobbies and things that you enjoy in the outdoors. So being able to get that gear outside and onto your roof rack, into storage cases, and save that space inside is key. And that's all possible because of how modular our platform is. So real quick, I'll show you how we have this Forester set up just to give you some ideas. So up top, we have a Zargis box that bolts on with their brackets into our crossbars. We also have some Sherpa smileys. We've been strapping chairs, tents. We've also strapped a paddleboard up there. So there's some options there with the smileys to be able to just quickly strap things down. And then we also have a Roam awning using our standard awning mounts. So all of those accessories can be found on our website. The Zargis box can be bought from them directly. So the key thing that makes it really easy to attach all your accessories to this rack is our extrusion at the base. So everything has slots 360 degrees around. We have drop-in T-nuts that drop right into these slots and allow you to bolt just about anything. The main things you're going to be attaching are our line of accessories. We have a massive line of accessories to mount things to this rack, but it also works with just about any other roof rack accessories on the market. So long as it has a hole, you can usually bolt it into our T-nuts, into our crossbars. Along with the crossbars being super modular, they're also adjustable across the entire rack. So we have lots of slots and spaces for these crossbars to go on the roof rack to get your spacing perfect for just about any accessory. They work great with rooftop tents, mountain bike racks, awnings, cases, fly rod mounts. Pretty much anything you've seen on a vehicle roof, you can attach to a Sherpa roof rack. We also have a full height or a half height option. Shown here is our full height. The half height is going to be a little bit shorter so you can run things like off-road lights if you want some additional lighting on your roof rack. So one of the specific accessories I want to show you for this vehicle is our window panel for this rack. All of our Subarus also have a window panel option. This gives you a little bit of extra space on the side of the rack. They're really helpful when your rack's already full and you want to carry a little bit of extra water or fuel. Rotopacks work really well back here. So this just gives you kind of a universal surface where you can bolt additional accessories to. One thing I'd love to add too is everything on this rack is made right here in the United States. We laser cut, bend, and powder coat everything right here in our facility and ship it directly to you or our dealer for installation. So if you're looking to pick one of these racks up, you can head to our website, buy it directly from there. These will ship free. You can also find the accessories on our website. We also have a massive amount of dealers around the United States. We also have some in Canada. So if you're not in our location and you want to come see these in person or potentially talk to someone in person, you can go to our website, check out our dealer locator, find someone near you and get in touch. That's a great option for purchasing. If you're interested in install information, you can handle it yourself. We have an installation video that we'll link down below. If that seems a little bit too hard for you, we also have a big network of installers through our dealer network. So one of our dealers can also handle the install for you. We also do installs here at our facility in Berthoud, Colorado, north of Denver. So hit us up if you're interested in that. Reach out if you have questions. If you're looking for more technical specifications on this rack, go head over to the product page, read through some of that, watch the installation video, and you'll get a lot more information there. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Shoot us an email.